How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm coming with an amazing build. That's the Tesla app UI with React Native. Check out, guys. Cool. That's an insane build. Building the Tesla app for iOS and Android platform with React Native, a JavaScript library that allows you to build app on such platform. Feel free to subscribe if you've not done so. Like the video as well and comment to always come out with the best build. So stay with me and let's build it together. With that being said, let's get started. Let's initialize our project by running expo init, and also let's name our project as Tesla app to download the dependencies we need. I've done a video on the explanation of files and folders you will see after the initialization of a project. I'll link down in the description below. So now that the installation is done, let's go. Woo! We need to work from top to down. When you see the Tesla app, the header region contains the settings icon, the text in the middle, and also the surprise or gift icon on the right side. So that's what we'll be working on. We create a folder name as components. Within the components folder, let's create a file and name it as header items.js. Let's generate the template of the whole thing by using the ex6 snippet, running React Native functional export component with a style sheet, RNFEX in short form. If you're not having it, go to the extension, search for ex snippet / React Native. Let's import the header component into the app.js file. So let's work on the header icons. Let's run this command to install the icons. Expo install at expo /vector icons, or you can do yarn add at expo /vector icons. One can work with npm install at expo /vector icon. I'll work with yarn throughout the project. So now that the installation is done, let's import the yarn design from expo vector icons. Let's render the yarn design component. It's a self-closing tag. It has a property called name, so let's give the name of the icon. In this case, the name is settings, and also it has a size property, so let's specify the size as 24, and also a color property. Let's give it a color of white, and let's render the whole of this within a touchable opacity component. To do that, we need to import touchable opacity from React Native. Let's use the text component to write a text, and also we need to do same as we did for the settings icon, but in this case we specify the name of the icon to be gift. So let's have a look at it. Okay, everything is aligned vertically by default, so let's align item horizontally. To do so, we need to give it a flex direction of rule, and also icons and the text are close to each other, so we need to give them a space between. So we use the justify content space between, and also we need to align the items at the center. Let's give it a margin top of 50 to push it from the top, and also margin left and right as 20. Let's specify the margin bottom as 5 as well. Let's give some styles to the text: font size of 16, font weight of bold, and also we need to align the items at the center, justify content center. Let's set up the background image. To do that, we need to import image background from React Native. Let's return our image background. It's a self-closing tag. The image background has a property called the source property. Let's specify where our image is. We use the require method to access images locally and the URI method to access it online. And also to specify the path or where the image is, we use the // to specify the path. In this case, our image is found within the asset folder. Then you give a name. Then you give the name of the image. We need to also specify some styles for the image. Let's give it a width of 100%, a height of 100% to take the entire width and height, and also a resize mode of cover. And also let's position it absolutely and give it a margin top of 15 to push it from the top. When we look at the app, we can see the battery image and also the test as well. So let's specify a view for the image and test component so that you can align those components horizontally. So you can see by default is aligned vertically. So when you put all these components in the view and align it horizontally using the flex direction and specifying it to be row, that's what we want to do it here. We need to also specify a view for the test packed and align items at the center. Give the test a color of white, a font size of 20, and a font weight of bold. When we look at the Tesla app, right beneath the car image, we have 3 icons. We have the fan, the key, and the lock icons. We need to specify a view for those icons. And also, to get the icons, let's import the font as on 5 from @expo/vector icons. And let's proceed to render the font as on 5 and specify the name of the icon as fan and give it a size of 24. It also have a color property. Let's specify the color as white. Let's do the same for the other icons. Let's copy that and repeat for that of the other icons. Let's specify the other name to be key, the same size and the same color. And also let's specify the other name to be locked. Let's give some styles to the icons. Let's give styles to the icon by giving it a border width of 1, border color of white, border radius of 50, padding of 18 as well, and also a margin length of 20. When we look at the app, down below the 3 icons, we have a list of menu there, and we need to create a menu item.js within the component folder and render it there. So let's do that. Let's create a file within the components folder and name it as menu.js. Okay, so let's import React from React and some basic components from React Native. We need to also import the font awesome 5 from @expo/vector icons and also use an arrow function and create a menu item.js. That's the Tesla being built. If you want more videos of this, smash that thumbs up button and like the video as well. Leave a comment in the section below. See you in the next video.